My name is Marcus Vincent. I'm from Argyle, Texas. I've been trading options since late 2023. This is my first time attending a retreat with Trader's Edge. Well, the money press I'm starting to get down, starting to become successful in it. What I'd like to learn is to gauge my exit points because I know how to make money week after week, but when the market starts turning the other way, I need help with that. I'm not really sure because I haven't tried any other trade strategies in the past. I tried a little bit of bull call Matador once or twice that Mike teaches in the Mastermind Project. I tried a little bit of MIT with HIMS trade that Preston did late last year, but otherwise it's been mostly the money press. It's about all I know. Well, it's nice to have sort of a weekly touch base with Trader's Edge to see what different kind of things are going on, see if I'm heading in the right direction. I know there's a lot of chat on the insiders rooms on the website. So if you look in there, you can find little tidbits of information from other traders that aids me in my search for which direction I want to go. Mike's Mastermind Project goes a little bit more in-depth beyond just the basics of the money press. He gets into the whys and the hows. Also, there's some other trading techniques, for instance, Stella's seasonals. I've been tracking a lot of those. I haven't had the cash to participate in a lot of them because some of them are out of my price range. But I like Stella's seasonals. Also with Lee, when Lee's on, he's got a different take on some things. I like his base hit strategy. You're not going to hit a home run every time. So the little base hits, you get enough of those, you win the game and you start getting ahead. So I like that. Brendan, I like Brendan's adjustments of the money press based on delta changes. After my first few Zoom meetings with Stella, I was looking for techniques in how to adjust my weekly rollovers or adjust my longs, and Brandon was really helpful with one of his sessions on a daily or a weekly money press adjustment using the deltas. There's just so much. Little things that didn't know about, or just a refocus on getting back into the money press because of the current market situation. I backed out a lot of them just like Preston did. But I think the most exciting thing is probably the identification of the follow-through day. Learning about that from Preston and then trying to pin it down when it's going to happen or when it actually happened just a couple days ago. So I'm hopeful for the future going forward after we just had that. So I'm hoping to maybe get back in, stick my toes in the water, if so to speak. Working one-on-one with the mentor, I had to discuss the cost of that with my wife because I make the money and she manages the checkbook and the bank account because I'm gone so much. But we decided it would be a good idea to get involved with it. Now I just need to take full advantage of it, but I think it's well worth the money. If you get into it and you are successful in the money trades, you can pay that back pretty quickly. As far as Mike's Mastermind Project, I like the fact that you don't have just the one mentor. You've got Mike, Stella, Brandon, Lee, Once or twice we had Kyle. So there's a whole bunch of different perspectives to this whole trading thing, the money press especially. It's helped me set my own style, and probably I need to focus that down a little more because I'm taking little bits and pieces from everybody. But I'm hoping that one day I can settle in and pick a direction. But like I said, I'm picking little pieces from everybody else, and I'm heading, hopefully, in the direction I want to go.